Teamwork Desk now integrates seamlessly with Mailchimp. You can add a customer to a Mailchimp audience directly from within a ticket, ensuring that they receive the right email campaign for them and that you and your team can continue to drive growth. To enable the integration, navigate to your site settings by selecting your profile picture on the top right and select Settings. And then in our General Settings tab, we need to make sure that we've selected integrations here on the left hand side. Next up, just select the Mailchimp option and then select Install. For the installation of the Mailchimp integration, we need to add in our Mailchimp API key. So we can just enter our value here and save. Next up, we need to add our API region, which we can find in our Mailchimp URL. So for me, it's US2, and just save this. Below our API region, we can add any custom events, which we can then add customers to directly from within our tickets. So let's say here that I want to add a VIP customer event. And if we want to add a second event, we can just separate it with a comma and add our second event. Once again, save. And now that we've successfully installed our Mailchimp integration, let's take a quick look at using the integration from within a ticket. Here we are in a ticket, and over on the right hand side, you can see that we have our Mailchimp option now. The first thing we need to do is select our audience/list, and I'll go with Teamwork Video. And you can see here that we can choose to add events or an activity. And looking at the events, we can see our 2 events that we added earlier. And in the activity tab, we have several activities here that we can choose from. And that's it. That's how easy it is to enable and use the Mailchimp integration for Teamwork Desk. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.